Hey, if your homepage on the YouTube is not loading, let me show you how you can try to fix it. So first of all, just test the YouTube application on the Wi-Fi and the mobile data. If the issue appears on the both connections, that means that something is wrong with the application. So first of all, I can recommend you to simply close it and go into this settings. Now from here, you have to type on the search pool and type YouTube, and you have to open the YouTube app information. Now from here you have to scroll basically right here, take a look, and click to force to stop and click OK. Now what it do basically restart the application. So now try to open it, and if you still have this issue, let's go back for the settings, open this YouTube one more time, and I can recommend you to go into the storage, so it appears just right here, and clear cache and also clear the data, and tap to delete. And now when you do this, you can also check the mobile data from here and be sure that this application has access to the background data usage. And now let's try to open this application, accept all permissions, and there's another method. So you can also try to go into the Play Store, open it, select the YouTube, and be sure that you have the latest version. If it doesn't have the latest version and you cannot update, you can also try to get it from the external source. So you have to open the Google Chrome, enter for the APK Pure website, and find the YouTube download version. So it looks like this, that you will be able to scroll down and you can find the previously version of the YouTube. So we can try to download one of these, install on your phone, and now you can try if it works. And that's it. That's my way how we can fix this issue. Right now, please tell me if it works, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.